Hello, it's Wednesday, November the 17th, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The dollar gained across the board after investors sought safety on the greenback as risk aversion returns once again to the markets. PPI came out 0.4%, worse than expected 0.8%. Industrial production came out 0% worse than expected 0.3%, and US stock markets closed negative with the Dow weakening by minus 1.59% and Nasdaq by minus 1.75%. Crude oil plummeted by minus 3% to close at $82.40 a barrel, and gold also fell by minus 2.2% to close at $1,339 an ounce. Today, building permits are expected at 0.57 million versus 0.55 million previously, and housing starts at 0.6 million versus 0.61 million previously. CPI is expected at 0.3% versus 0.1% prior. The euro showed another day of weakness over concerns regarding Irish debt and Greek economic stability. CPI came out unchanged at 1.9% as expected. Holding below the 135.60 resistance area keeps the momentum negative for the pair. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 134.47 and a high of 136.54. No economic data is expected today. The pound fell against the dollar, affected by concerns that Europe's debt crisis will hurt demand for riskier assets. CPI came out 3.2%, better than expected 3.1%. Sterling has broken the critical support level of 159.50, and as long as it remains below this figure, this may send the pair into a strong bearish trend. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 158.38 and a high of 160.86. The dollar finished another positive day versus the yen, touching a one-month high, holding above the 82.70 support zone, keeps the momentum positive for the pair. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 82.84 and a high of 83.58. No economic data is expected today. The greenback jumped to a two-week high against the CAD as stock markets and commodities tumbled on slowing recovery concerns, decreasing demand for currencies linked to commodities and economic growth. Holding above the 101.80 support zone keeps the momentum positive for the pair. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 100.68 and a high of 102.52. No economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxbank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.